Sorcelli, a brand from the heart. This case, using course topics, brand management and marketing management. The specific of brand management are brand positioning and choosing brand element. The specific related topics of marketing management, building brand equity and brand positioning. In this case, illustrate how Sorcelli brand was built, the process of development, including brand positioning, brand formulation, and brand delivery is presented. This can be used to develop a discussion about brand equity, brand positioning, brand formulation, and brand delivery. In this case, brand positioning was formulated by specifying a point of parity or POP, which is a product category that will be entered and set by point of difference or POD, which contain the key to brand differentiation by Sorcelli. At the initial launch, Sorcelli occupied a new category. It was a pioneer in the frozen yogurt category and competed with a nearby cross-category ice cream. Sorcelli also seek to provide differentiation by building the perception of USA brands. That is by using the tagline US premium and non-fat frozen yogurt as a way to provide tranquility for the customer to consume this ice cream yogurt. Ice cream using quote-unquote. Sorcelli's brand positioning was for a target market comprising women within 15 to 45 years of age. After setting the position, Sorcelli performed brand formulation which contain name, logo, design, packaging, and the identity of Sally's own figure. Brand delivery was done with an emphasis on public relations and customer relations compared with advertising. PR function was done through various print and online media. Customer relationship was engaged via community marketing through networking websites and members. In this case, our learning objectives, how we learn how company engage in brand positioning. We learn how the brand identity was formulated. And the last, we learn about how brand was delivered through various marketing communications tool. I give you assignment and question how to understand this case. Discuss with your group. First, brief this case. What is the case all about? What aspect is most appealing in the case? After that, you make flow of discussion and analysis by brand positioning to brand formulation and brand delivery. First, discuss about brand positioning. How do you see Sorcelli market segmentation and target identification? Could you identify the point of parity of Sorcelli, category of point parity, and competitive point of parity? Could you identify the point of difference from Sorcelli? After that, you move to brand formulation discussion. Analyze the brand formulation discussion using two approaches. First approach, use Kevin Keller's, and the second approach by David Ecker. In Kevin Keller, you propose these variables of a brand elements: brand name, URLs, logos and symbols, character, jingles, and packaging. Using by David Ecker approaches was built in 1996. Could you identify the brand identity of Sorcelli as a person, name, gender, age, character, as a product, as a symbol, and as an organization? So, in brand formulation, we using two approaches by Kevin Keller and by David Ecker. After that, we move our discussion to brand element criteria. This to measure the effectiveness of brand elements. The following criteria can be used: memorability, meaningfulness, likability, transferability, adaptability, and security. After you discuss about the brand element criteria, you move to brand delivery discussion. In this section discussion, how the Sorcelli brand deliver to the market through a series of communication tools. The case shows that various communication tools can be used. The following questions can starting point to dissect the activities of Sorcelli brand delivery. What is your opinion about its publicity in various media? What is your opinion about the online communication, the website? What is your opinion about Sorcelli developing a relationship marketing towards social networks such as Facebook, Twitter, Mailist, etc. And membership. What is your opinion about the event conducted by Sorcelli? And the last, what is your opinion about the in-store communication of Sorcelli? This is our case, how to understand about the brand management and marketing management using Sorcelli case. Enjoy your discussion and see you in the class meeting. Thank you.